What's really convenient about force fields is that once you add one, you can easily change the type off here in the right where the physics settings are. So I'm just going to switch this over to Turbulence, and let's go ahead and back this up, and let's see what we get. Now again, the strength is -40, so let's just see what happens. Now, basically what Turbulence does is exactly what you're seeing here. It kind of just scatters things. Similar to when you're on an airplane and you experience turbulence, it's going to shake the plane, right? It's kind of unpredictable pattern. That's pretty much what turbulence is. And now I love playing with the turbulence force field because it can really add some organic elements to our physics simulation. So let's go ahead and set our strength to 10, and let's go ahead and set our flow to 1, and let's see what we get here. Now, notice how we get a completely different result because we have a lower value. This is why it's so important to experiment with your force fields. Now, the size right here, this is going to be the actual size of the turbulence. So turbulence is basically going to be based on a noise pattern. So the larger this size is, we'll just set it to maybe 2. Oops, 2. Go ahead and back this up. Now notice how the turbulence is more spread out, okay? And the more that you increase this number for the strength, the greater the effect will be. Now that looks pretty cool. Keep in mind as well with your particle emitter, you may want to have more particles. For example, right now we have 1,000. Maybe we want 5,000. And this may allow us to more easily see our force field's effects. Now that's more like it. And you can start to see how sporadic these particles spread out. Again, this works with rigid bodies too, and I will show you an example, but I really wanted to show you with particles because you can see how it affects multiple particles at once. And it's pretty interesting and sort of unpredictable. So if you're going for a more organic look, turbulence is a great force field to use. All right, next up on our list for force fields, I am going to show you the wind force field.